When it comes to maintaining your home in Clinton Township, your roof is one of the most important investments you can protect. Michigan's unpredictable weather, from heavy snow in winter to summer storms, can take a toll on your roofing system. Unfortunately, many homeowners unknowingly make costly mistakes that shorten the lifespan of their roof or lead to expensive repairs. Understanding these common pitfalls can help you keep your roof in excellent condition for years to come. Ignoring small leaks and damage. One of the most common roofing mistakes homeowners make is neglecting small leaks or signs of damage. A minor drip or missing shingle may seem harmless, but over time, it can cause extensive water damage, mold growth, and even structural issues. Roof problems rarely stay small. By catching and fixing them early, you can save thousands in potential repair costs. Regular inspections, especially after strong winds or heavy snowfall, can help you spot issues before they escalate. Attempting DIY repairs without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, roofing repairs should be left to professionals. Many Clinton Township homeowners try to save money by patching a roof themselves, only to make matters worse. Incorrect repairs can lead to improper sealing, uneven shingles, and voided warranties. Roof work also comes with safety risks due to slippery surfaces and steep angles. Hiring a certified roofing contractor ensures the job is done correctly and safely, giving you peace of mind and lasting results. Neglecting routine roof maintenance. Your roof is not a set it and forget it feature. Just like other parts of your home, it needs regular maintenance to stay in good shape. Failing to clean gutters, remove debris, or inspect for damage can lead to leaks and premature deterioration. Clogged gutters, for instance, prevent proper drainage and allow water to pool, eventually seeping under shingles. Schedule annual roof inspections, ideally in spring and fall, to keep your system performing efficiently throughout the year. Using low-quality materials. Choosing cheaper roofing materials may seem like a budget-friendly decision, but it often costs more in the long run. Inferior shingles, flashing, and underlayment can deteriorate quickly under Michigan's harsh weather conditions. When selecting materials for a new roof or replacement, always prioritize durability and weather resistance. High-quality materials like architectural shingles or metal roofing may require a higher upfront investment, but they deliver superior protection and longevity. Poor ventilation and insulation. Another commonly overlooked issue is inadequate roof ventilation and attic insulation. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture can build up, leading to mold, warped shingles, and ice dams during winter. Ice dams occur when warm air from the attic melts snow on the roof, which then refreezes along the edges, trapping more water. Proper ventilation allows hot, moist air to escape, protecting your roof structure and improving your home's energy efficiency. Hiring unqualified or unlicensed contractors. Not all roofing contractors are created equal. Some homeowners choose the cheapest quote without verifying credentials or experience. Unfortunately, unlicensed or inexperienced roofers may cut corners, use subpar materials, or skip essential steps. Always check that your contractor is licensed, insured, and has strong local references in Clinton Township. A reputable roofer will provide a written estimate, warranty information, and proof of insurance before starting any work. Failing to plan for roof replacement. Every roof has a lifespan. Waiting until leaks become severe or shingles start falling off can lead to higher costs and interior damage. Instead, plan ahead by keeping track of your roof's age and condition. Asphalt shingles typically last 20 to 25 years, while metal or tile roofs can last much longer. Proactively scheduling a replacement when the roof nears the end of its life can prevent emergency repairs and allow you to budget effectively. Protect your Clinton Township home. Avoiding these common roofing mistakes can save you from major headaches and financial strain. Prioritize regular maintenance, professional inspections, and quality materials to extend the life of your roof and safeguard your home. Whether you're repairing storm damage or planning a full roof replacement, Partnering with a trusted Clinton Township roofing expert ensures your investment remains strong and secure, no matter what Michigan weather brings.